Hey, it's Crissy here. Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a what's in my bag video. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Listen. So this is the bag slash backpack that I carry. It's just a simple black and gold backpack. I actually got this from Didi's discount store. It's really nice, and for the price of it, I think it was only like $15 or $13 around that price range. And it's actually really durable. It's perfect size. It fits a lot of things, so I'm just gonna show you guys what's inside now. So this is what the inside of the pattern looks like, and this is what I have in here so far. So this is just stuff that I throw in here, and I just have in here just kind of hanging out. So the first thing I have in here is my wallet. It's just black and gold as well. I have my house key, and I have a little strappy. I used to just carry it around with me just like that around my wrist, but I lost my other wallet that way, so I'm not doing that anymore. Next thing I have in here is this little pack. It's just a black and clear pouch. In here I have a pair of underwear, and apparently I have a pen in there. Oh, apparently I have an elastic in here too, and a band-aid. So that's what's in the pouch now. What's in the pouch is actually, well, it would have a pad in here, and I have, I should put a pad in there right now. But I would usually carry a pad in here, some extra pair of underwear, and Advil, because you never know when you're gonna need that stuff. Next thing I have in here, so what I have in this little pocket right here, I just had a receipt. Don't know why that's there. Okay, so the next thing I have in here is a pack of crackers. And the reason why I like to carry these around is because when people get hangry, I don't like to deal with them. This person knows who I'm talking about. So I carry these around with me so I can just give it to them. You're welcome. Next thing I have in here is this Ipsy bag. And it's just the one from October. My bag is falling. It's just the one from October. It has a cute little bat. And then you open that up. And this is what I have in here. I'll go through all this stuff. I'm just going to show you guys. So in here I have the Honey Lip Scrub by Lush. Simply because I hate the feeling of having like dry skin on my lips. You know, that crusty feeling you get on your lips. And the next thing I have is a lip balm. And then next thing I have is this Scope Crest mouthwash, just because I hate the feeling of having a dirty, stinky breath mouth. You know when that happens. I have a nail polish just in case. I guess I wanted to put nail polish on my nails. I don't know. And then I have a hand sanitizer. And then I have an Ultra Repair Dry First Aid Beauty hand cream. Lips just both tend to get really dry, and I just like to carry around these essentials with me just for whenever I'm out for long periods of time. I can feel comfortable. Next thing I have an elastic, a hairbrush, and a pen just floating around in there. And I have the band-aid that I was talking about earlier. So these go in a separate compartment. These are actually supposed to be in this little pouch. My best friend actually gave me this for my birthday, and it came in super handy. The lip balm that I have in the other bag goes in here, but I took it out to put it in with the other essentials that I have. So in here, I stuffed a little pouch in here, and in there I carry a bunch of elastics, just because you never know when you're gonna need to tie your hair up. I just like to be overly prepared just for things. In this little pouch it says "Hey Gorgeous," and in this little pouch it comes with band-aids, a nail file. It comes with little backings for your earrings. It comes with a little sewing kit. Nail file. I just threw in a Rolly perfume just because you never know. This is the Harvey Prince signature Rolly little perfume thing, just because you never know when you're gonna need or want to wear perfume. Band-aids. It comes with lint sheets, bobby pins. It's cute and super helpful. It also came with like eyelash glue, and I just have this little pocket right here. This of course is just decoration. It's just there hanging out. So this is what it looks like inside. So in here, what do I have? I have this little jewelry box. I think I'm gonna put, and then I just have my little adapter hanging out in there. I did have a pouch for all this stuff, but of course I lost it. So I'm just gonna stick my adapter into this little jewelry box. I originally had this in here and never took it out because I went to the airport and I had to take my earrings off and I didn't want to just throw them in the bag, and I never took this out, so I'm just gonna use that for something else. Next thing I have in here are sticky notepads, post-its, I don't remember what you call these. And then pens and post-its, just because you never know when you need to write something out. But these random next things are they're just kind of thrown in here, so I'm just gonna be going through them. I have a makeup brush. It's just the e.l.f. blush brush, and I left this in my boyfriend's aunt's car, so she gave that to me and I just kind of threw it in here. Next thing I have, everything that I have is just something that I just thrown in here just because I was probably running out of the house or something. So the next thing I have is the MIB lip liner pencil in gray brown. I love this pencil. This lip liner is so pretty and it's just so cute. Like, I wore it a lot in the fall time. So next thing I have is the NYX Extra Line Liner. And this is just a liquid liner that I use. I guess I have one in my bag just for emergencies. I really don't know why that's in there. I have one in my room too. I have another pen. Oh. I have another lip liner, and this is by Ellen Tracy lip liner in the color. It does not have a name. It's just the nude lip liner. I do tend to carry around lip liners with me because if I'm ever in a rush, I will not put on lipstick and I will just look ridiculous if I just run out with no lips. Next thing I have in here are these tweezers. They're just by the Fair Brushes tweezers. I actually have these with me because my friend got something stuck, she got an eyelash stuck in her eye, so I took these for her and she just took out whatever she needed. And I just never took them out. It for the what's in my bag video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.